Hello there. In our static data masking in place video, we showed you how Mage data masks sensitive information directly at the source. But what if that data needs to move? When data needs to move, security moves first. And we'll show you how Mage data does it. In many organizations, testing, analytics, or offshore teams need access to production-like data in new environments. That's where Mage data's extract, mask, and load, or EML, comes in. With a simple request, the system securely extracts data, masks the data, and finally loads the data where your teams need it, fully protected and fully compliant. Here's how it works. First, the data is extracted from a source securely. Then the data is masked in transit, with enterprise-ready anonymization, using preset policies. And finally, the data is loaded into the target environment, from UAT to staging, ready for safe, high-performance use. Why extract mask load matters? Mage data uses proven methods like format-preserving encryption, AS256, shuffling, pseudonymization, or redaction to match your compliance needs and risk profiles. Mage data enables secure data provisioning across hybrid and multi-cloud environments without disrupting existing workflows while reducing data duplication. Even in transformed environments, masked data behaves like the original, with relationships and schema preserved for testing accuracy. Teams launch secure data extractions on demand, while governance teams enforce policies, monitor activity, and maintain compliance. Whether you work across Oracle, SQL Server, cloud data lakes, or files, Mage data ensures secure EML across data stores and platforms, from production to test, as shown in our demo, while preserving business processes. Mage data also creates new data pipelines or integrates with existing data pipelines. Save time and cost on test data creation, lower DBA workload, and enable faster, safer project delivery. For example, if we look into this Oracle database before masking, we can see real data copied and exposed. After the extract, mask, and load process to Snowflake is completed, we see the data is secured, masked, and ready in the destination, with no compromise in functionality or compliance. When your data needs to move, Mage data moves protection with it. Explore Mage data's static data masking, extract mask load or EML, and keep your data secure wherever it goes. Contact Mage data for more information. Thank you.